Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Capital One Walmart card. Fast fix step by step. To activate your Capital One Walmart card, begin by gathering your personal information. You will need your social security number, date of birth, and card details handy. Next, visit the Capital One website or open the Capital One mobile app. If you're using the website, navigate to the card activation section. Here, you will be prompted to enter your card number. Fill in your card number in the designated field. Then, enter your last name as it appears on the card. Next, input the last 4 digits of your social security number. After entering this information, click on the Activate button. If you're using the mobile app, look for the Activate Card option. Enter your card details in the same way as on the website. Once you've filled in all required information, tap the Activate button. After successful activation, you will receive a confirmation message. Remember to store your card in a safe place after activation. Your Capital One Walmart card is now ready to use. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Capital One customer service for assistance. They are available to help you resolve any activation problems you may have. Activating your card is a simple process when you follow these steps. Now you're all set to enjoy perks and benefits at Walmart with your new card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.